Hi, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how to create the bootable USB of Windows 11 for the unsupported PC. So you can install Windows 11 on your unsupported PC using a USB drive. So the first thing you need is the ISO file of Windows 11. I already downloaded this. You can download the ISO file from the Microsoft website. Just visit this link and download the ISO file of Windows 11 from here. And then also download this Ventoy tool to create the bootable USB of Windows 11. The download link of Ventoy is in the description. After downloading, just extract the Ventoy to any folder. Now open the folder and run the Ventoy disk from here. Now insert your USB drive and select your USB flash drive from here. And after selecting, just click on the install button. Now your USB drive will be formatted, so just click on yes. Now wait for the Ventoy to be installed on your USB drive. It will take some time. And after installing, you can now close Ventoy. Now open your USB flash drive. Here you can see it has been renamed to Ventoy. Now all you have to do is to paste the ISO file of Windows 11 here. Just copy and paste the ISO file on your USB drive and wait for it to copy. And after it's complete, then the Windows 11 bootable USB has been created successfully. But to install Windows 11 on your unsupported PC, then you have to download this file as well. The download link is in the description. Just extract this file, and after extracting, open the folder. Now copy both of these files to your USB flash drive. Now to install Windows 11 on your unsupported PC, then you have to right click on this file and then select merge from here. But don't do it here. Do it while the setup of Windows 11 is running from your USB drive. So I will show you now by booting from my USB drive. So boot your PC from a USB drive. Just select your USB drive here, and then you can see this Windows screen here and the ISO file of Windows 11 that we have copied. Just select the ISO and press enter here, and you can see the Windows 11 setup is loading. Wait for it to load. Now simply click on the next button here. Now click on the install button. Select I don't have the product key, and here choose the version of Windows 11 you want to install. I am selecting Windows 11 Pro here and click on next. And you can see this message that this PC doesn't support the Windows 11. So to bypass this, just go back from here. Now from your keyboard, just press Shift and F10, and then the CMD windows will open. Now type Notepad here and then press enter, and from here just click on the file and then click on open. Now go to this PC here and then open your USB drive from here. You can see the Ventoy here, just open it. Now from the file type here, choose all files, and after selecting all files, you can see both files we have copied here. Now simply right click on bypass TPM and then click on merge. Now click on yes, and now you can close all these windows. Now again select the Windows 11 version and click on the next button. And this is it. You can see the Windows 11 unsupported device message has been bypassed, and now you can install Windows 11 on your PC as well. Just click on accept, choose the drive where you want to install Windows 11, and click on the next to start installing Windows 11 on your unsupported PC. So in this way you can create the bootable USB of Windows 11 and can install Windows 11 on your unsupported PC using the USB flash drive. If you still have any questions, then you can ask me in the comment section below. You can subscribe to this channel for more tricks videos like this. Thanks for watching.